and welcome to my channel. My name is Leann. For those of you who are new here, don't forget to click that subscribe button, guys, so you wouldn't miss another upload from me, and be sure to click that little bell notification so you guys will be alerted whenever I do an upload as well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve a drawstring ponytail style on my short hair. Last time I cut my hair was back in December 2017, so this is a growth from then till now. It should be fairly easy to put into a ponytail, so I'm going to show you guys some of the tools that you would need to achieve this style. You're going to need a hard bristle brush. This one is hard on this side, soft on this side. I'm going to use my big teeth comb. For oil sheen, I'm going to use the BB Smooth Sheen with olive oil. For holding, I'm going to be using the BB Pump It Up Spritz. For major holding, I'm going to be using the Ampro Pro Style gel. This is the gel that I grew up on, guys. This is the gel my mother introduced to me, so I'm still using it. You're going to need some rubber bands or hair scrunchies if you don't like to use rubber bands. And you're going to need, oh, of course, a ponytail. Drawstring ponytail of your choice. This one is by Equal. It's the Shake and Go Drawstring Ponytail, and this one is the Equal Yaki Straight, and this is 18 inches, and it's also curling iron safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So this isn't my first time using this drawstring ponytail. I like it. This is a straight one. I like it. I got it in a 1B because I wash my hair, so most likely some of my color came out. So if you want to see how I achieve my drawstring ponytail style, stay tuned and keep watching. So basically, I'm just gonna comb out my hair, make sure it's tangle free. I usually do my hair up, but I'm gonna try to put the ponytail like to the back, to the center right here. Oh Lord, look at that. Damn! So the last time when I did this, when I do it upward, I put the gel first, which would make sense to me to put a gel first, but that's why I did it last time. So I think I'm gonna do that again this time. So let's start. I'm not gonna put too much gel right now. I'm just gonna put enough just for it to hold. Like when I brush it, it'll be able to just hold, so I can put in the rubber bands. And then I'm going to gel it with more gel. So now I'm going to really gel it now, because this is, you can see like still have some pieces sticking up. So now I'm gonna really pour on the gel. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of the Pump It Up Spritz and just spray it like to the top of it. Oh shoot, I think hard enough. To make it a little tighter, just pull on the ends. So now that I get where it's looking pretty good to me, I can just go underneath the hooded dry now until it's totally dry, probably about 45 minutes, and just sit there and let it dry completely. And then I'm gonna come back and do the drawstring ponytail on it. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, so now that my hair is all dried and hard, I like to do like hard so it will last for the whole week. I'm gonna take my bag of hair, guys. Yes, I know all of you have a bag of hair that you guys have somewhere, and I'm gonna take some of the Kanekalon Braiding Hair and wrap it around my ponytail just so I could get a little, you know, height. I got all kind of things, all kind of different hair up in here.
2 hours later.
Okay, so now I have my piece of Kanekalon hair. So now I'm just gonna pin the Kanekalon hair onto my hair. I rubber band it, put a rubber band over it. I'm just gonna flatten down my hair itself and then just wrap this around using a bobby pin. I'm gonna just support it and just pinning it as I go around, wrapping it around. And always make sure that when you put a hairpin into your hair, guys, that it's comfortable and it's not choking you, your scalp, because then you have to take out your whole hairstyle and do it over. So I'm gonna tighten this as I wrap it around. I'm just gonna take the tail part, twist it, and then chuck it underneath the entire bun. That way I have some height for my ponytail. I'm just gonna go and secure it some more with more bobby pins, just so it'll be nice and secure for when I put on my drawstring ponytail. Okay, so you should have something like this, like a ninja bun kind of, you know, look. And now I'm gonna put on my drawstring ponytail. This ponytail has a comb at the top, a comb at the bottom, and of course the drawstring as well. I take the comb to the top and place it into my hair itself. Make sure it's in there. Over, do the back, the bottom as well. Make sure it's securely in your hair, guys, and it's comfortable. You're gonna know if it's comfortable when you start to pull the string and to tighten it. So now I'm just gonna pull the string. Take the string and wrap it around. Okay, so you could just stop here and leave it like this, but I like to go a step further and make it have that, you know, wraparound weave kind of look. So I'm just gonna take some of the hair from underneath here, just right underneath here. Not too much, so I don't have like a space, but this is good enough. And then I like to take it and wrap it around here. So to hold the hair that I'm wrapping around a little better, I'm just gonna take some Spritz and spray it. Now I'm just gonna now clear out the hair from all that wrapping around. Now that I have it the way that I want it, I'm just gonna take my oil sheen and spray my hair to give it a little shine. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope it was an easy tutorial for you guys to understand and you guys go and try this style out. If this video was helpful and information for you guys, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and you guys stay blessed, and I'm gonna see you guys in another one. Bye.